Welcome. In this video I will show you how to record voice on iOS 26. To do that, open the Apps application, find Voice Memos application, open it, click Continue, allow while using app, and to start recording, just press this red circle. And when you want to stop the recording, press the red square button. If you want to listen to it, press right here. And to delete the recording, click right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.